Guys, so today I'm going to be doing a room tour video, and this has been highly requested on Tumblr and well, not on YouTube but on Tumblr most of the time, and so I thought maybe I should do a room tour video and post it on Tumblr and also on YouTube. And yeah, I'm going to show you guys around. There's some things that I don't quite still like on my room, but nonetheless I still like it, and if I change something on my in my room, I'll probably do like an updated room tour for you guys. But yeah, let's get started. So starting off with my door, I have this hanging vine from Michaels, and it's fake, and I just have my backpack hanging onto it, and this is actually from the thrift store, and it was already paint splattered, and I got it for like $3. And then I got this macrame little decoration from Five Below, and I usually just put like outfits and stuff in there if I plan my outfits from time to time if I have time. And then this is my whole desk. This is where pretty much how I make my art stuff, and I spend most of my time in here. And so I'm gonna go start on the top part. The top part is mostly like my photography or some photos that I've collected over the years from my Tumblr, my actual old Tumblr. And then from the little shelves here, I have like books, and I have my sketchbooks, and then I have this fake plant on the top right here, if I can point it out. And that one I got, I think, at the dollar store. And then there's some things in there that are like just random stuff, like also fake plants right here. And also the shelving unit I got from TJ Maxx. And then this little like my name on there, that's what my art teacher gave me, and when we did the calligraphy unit. And then also at the top I drew myself on a piece of wood. We did that in pyrographics class. And yeah, and then on the bottom I just have this poster from National Geographic, and then on here I just have my light, and then I have my wooden model thing that's dabbing, and then I have my lanyard for my locker. Then I have these paint brushes, and also fake flowers from the dollar store. And then I have this crate that I got from, I believe, Michaels for like 60% off. I got it for like $5. It was a really good deal. And I just store all my paint supplies, my my trash can looking thing from the dollar store that holds all my pencils and stuff, and my pens. And then I just have like planners and stuff like that in there, and just scratch paper. And I have notepads, and then my what is it called, my glasses, and then my like charger, and then my cup, and then my speaker. And then I have just my healing mat for when you're cutting stuff for like printing and things like that. And then from here I just have my art supply stuff. Like I literally have a lot, and I probably should fix it and try to like organize it. I mean, it's organized, but I feel like I still need to go through them more and see what I can keep. But I just have a bunch of like my old drawings and like my recent work, and my printing stuff over here. And then I have all my sketchbooks, because some classes do prefer different types of sketchbooks depending on what medium you're using in that class. And I have like painting stuff, Crayola, a bunch of like notebooks and stuff in there as well. And then I have like my camera equipment. And then on the top shelf, it's mostly like my my pencils and stuff like that for drawing class. And then I have a bunch of crafting supplies in there too as well. I kept some of my crafting supplies from 3D just in case if I need to take another fine arts class. So yeah. And then I have my old headphones that doesn't work anymore, but I still kept it. And then I also have this dying sunflower plant. I mean, I feel really bad, but like that's the flower I got for when I graduated. That was our like flower, and I still kept it no matter what. I don't know. But yeah, and then I just have these fake sunflowers here. And yeah, and then I just have some more posters and things like that. and then also just a bunch of random supplies there, and then my shoes, and then yeah, it's just my shoes and my this is my what is it called, my mirror, that's me. I got this at Walmart, and I also got the vines, I think, at, what is it called, Wish, I think. I got it for like $1. And then I made this macrame little decoration, and I also have that plant that I also DIY'd. I pretty much bought rope from Kmart, and then I got some vines from the dollar store, and also I got that little pink tin from Target for $1, and then I just put them all together and made a hanging plant. I don't have any real plants just because I feel like I'm gonna destroy them and kill them, and I don't want to do that because sometimes I tend to forget. And yeah, I don't want to do that, so I just have fake plants for now. And then in here is my bedside table. I got this bedside table, I believe, from Walmart, and I just got a few things in here like my lotion, my candles, and then this fake plant again that I made. It's again DIY'd, and then this little lantern from Walmart, and then I have what is it called? This tissue box, yeah. And then this is my bed. I'm gonna do like a little overview again. This is what I call my gallery wall. But starting off with the bed, I just have these comforters. I believe they're all from Boss Cubs. But my mom gifted me these. I think she gifted it to me. Yeah, I think she did. Yeah, it's from Boss Cubs. This comforter, and I got this yellow throw pillow from Walmart, and then on the top part, I just have my hanging what is it called, like rose gold lights, although they don't really work anymore, and also the thing fell, as you can tell. But it's okay, I'll try to fix it. But yeah, and then also I just have a bunch of like inspirational photos, and then in here I have some of my work here as well. I did the hand drawings. Those are quick gesture drawings from drawing class from a year ago, and then I just have paintings that I also did, and also my photography as well in there, and from when I went to New York as well, to the, what is it called, MoMA Museum, right there when I saw the Monet painting. And I also painted this leaf, and I also painted that as well right here. So yeah, and some of these are all collectibles, and I've collected them over the years, and I've also collected stuff from National Geographic, so that's why yeah, I got them, and also from postcards when I went to places. And yeah, and then what else do I, oh yeah, and also in here I just have like my backpacks and stuff, and most of them are either gifted from um for me, and also some of them I bought, like the Fjallraven Kanken one, the Vans backpack, the tote bag, and then this thing from Forever 21, this crossbody bag, and then this pom pom bag I bought also, and also this little furry bag I bought. And I like hats too as well, so I got those either from Forever 21, and I think one of them from Kmart. I think I got this one from Kmart. But yeah, and then this one, I just have a bunch of like my get to ready kind of thing. I don't wear makeup actually, so the only thing I usually grab before I go is either my accessory stuff, like, I don't know, earrings and bracelets, sometimes rings, but sometimes I don't wear rings because I constantly draw and stuff, and I hate having things in my hand. And then this is like my choker bin, and also my lotions, and there's more lotions over there. I love lotion. And then this is like my perfume bin, and this thing I also made from crafts class. It's actually a batik inspired painting, and the thing about that is I used to hang it up, but I can't hang it up anymore, so I used it as a tray. So yeah, and then I just have fake flowers here, and then just a bunch of other necklaces that my friends got me from Puerto Rico, and then there's some things that I also bought from the gift shop when I used to work at the zoo. But yeah, and then in here, this used to be my old desk, but I turned it into more of just like my place, like music PlayStation kind of thing, where I just have like all of my like old CDs from back in the 2000s, and then I have also like a bunch of my other like um what is it called, my earrings, and because it didn't fit on this one, so I just kind of put it over here. And then I just have like my salt lamp that doesn't work. I have to still fix it. And then just a bunch of my other drawings as well, but except this one. This one's actually from my friend that she gave me back in freshman year of high school. And then yeah, I just have like my bags in here. I store my what is it called, my hats there, and then I store all of my scarves over there. And I just have a bunch of diary stuff in there because I used to write a lot, and I still write until now. But yeah. And then this part of that stuff, it's very miscellaneous. I'm not even gonna talk about it. So yeah. And then this part I forgot to talk about. It's actually my it's just my random pile. I don't know what to do with it yet, but this is just this thing that I did back in fine arts class. It's very creepy, don't even like look at it. And I just have a bunch of my art supplies that I also DIY'd for some things because I didn't really want to buy like a white backdrop for my project, so I just made a white backdrop from poster boards. So that's what I did. And then this part has all my sweatshirts in there, and I just have this white pink thing to cover it up. So yeah, because I don't have any more space in my dresser, and I'm not even gonna go through them, but it just has like my socks, my underwear, and then like my house clothing and stuff like that. But yeah, like my painting clothes also as well as in there. And then just my backpack and my portfolio stuff because I still don't know where to put them because I have like 4 portfolio bags, I think, or 5 portfolio bags. No, actually I think I had, yeah, 5 portfolio bags. And I still don't know where to store them, but yeah. And then this is my closet. I just have, it's not really that special, but yeah, I try to organize it as much as I can. And yeah, I just have a bunch of my jackets, my sweatshirts, and my pants. I don't know if you guys want like a huge full like closet tour. I might do that separately, but this is just an overview. And then the flowers that's surrounding it, I just bought a bunch of flowers from the dollar store. Although I've had a couple of them already collected over the years, so I didn't really have to spend a lot of money. I just took my art tape and just taped them in there, and I thought it was pretty cool. I don't know, it just reminds me of a garden. I don't know why, but I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna decorate it because it looked really plain. So yeah, so now we're back to the beginning, and I'm just gonna do another full 360 turn, and yeah. Alright, that is it for this video, and thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time with another video if I do end up again doing another video. I don't really have a schedule. I really don't, and it's really bad, but I'm gonna try to figure out a schedule if I can. But as of now, thanks guys for watching, and see you guys whenever I post again. Bye!